Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot CRM tracking with Gmail. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot CRM tracking with Gmail, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, click on Email Integrations. Choose Connect Your Inbox and select Gmail from the options provided. You will be prompted to sign into your Gmail account. Enter your Gmail credentials and click Next. Grant HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your Gmail account. Once permissions are granted, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot. Next, select the email folders you want to sync with HubSpot. Enable tracking by checking the box for Track Emails. You can also enable the Log Emails option if you want all sent emails logged in HubSpot. Click Connect to finalize the setup. After connecting, you'll see a confirmation message indicating successful integration. Open your Gmail to test the integration. Compose a new email to a contact. Look for the HubSpot tracking icons at the bottom of the email compose window. Ensure that the tracking option is enabled before sending the email. After sending, check your HubSpot dashboard to confirm the email has been logged. Now you can effectively track your email communications within HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.